Welcome to Wonderscape. If you're a beach lover, get ready to be amazed. Today, we're uncovering the top 10 unique beaches in the world that you won't believe exist. Imagine strolling on shores made entirely of glass, swimming in bioluminescent waters that glow in the dark, or relaxing on sand that's a vivid pink hue. These are not your ordinary beaches. They're one-of-a-kind wonders that defy expectations and promise unforgettable experiences. Stay tuned, because the last beach on our list will blow your mind with its sheer uniqueness. Let's dive in. 1. Pink Sands Beach, Bahamas. First on our list is the stunning Pink Sands Beach on Harbor Island, Bahamas. This beach is famous for its unusual pink-hued sand, which gets its color from microscopic coral insects called foraminifera. These tiny creatures live on the underside of reefs and the ocean floor, and their red shells mix with the white sand to create a soft pink hue. The gentle slope of the beach and its calm waters make it a perfect spot for swimming and snorkeling. Imagine walking on a beach that looks like it's been dusted with pink fairy dust. Truly a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Have you ever seen sand in such a unique color? Let us know in the comments if you visited a beach with unusual sand colors. 2. Glass Beach, California, USA. Next, we head to Glass Beach in Fort Bragg, California, a remarkable transformation of a former dump site into a vibrant and unique beach. Over the years, waves have polished the discarded glass into smooth, colorful pebbles, creating a dazzling shoreline of shimmering sea glass. It's a testament to nature's ability to reclaim and beautify human waste. Visitors are often left in awe of the beach's glistening pebbles, which cover the shoreline in a rainbow of colors. It's important to note that while collecting glass from the beach is prohibited to preserve this natural wonder, visitors can still enjoy the spectacle. If you were to create a piece of art using sea glass, what would it be? Share your ideas in the comments below. 3. Bioluminescent Mosquito Bay, Puerto Rico. Our journey continues to Puerto Rico, where Bioluminescent Mosquito Bay, also known as Bahia Bioluminescente, offers a magical nighttime spectacle. This phenomenon occurs due to the presence of dinoflagellates, microscopic organisms that emit light when disturbed. The result is a glowing blue water effect that looks like something out of a fantasy movie. It's most visible during the new moon phase when the sky is darkest. Imagine kayaking through waters that light up with every paddle stroke. An unforgettable experience for any adventurer. Have you ever seen bioluminescence in nature? Where was it? And what was your experience like? Share your stories. 4. Hidden Beach, Mexico. Hidden Beach, also known as Playa del Amor, is a secluded paradise nestled within the Marietta Islands of Mexico. This beach is unique not only for its beauty, but also for its location, inside a crater that can only be accessed by swimming through a water tunnel at low tide. The beach's formation is believed to be the result of military exercises in the early 20th century, which adds a layer of intrigue to its story. Once inside, visitors find a serene and private beach with clear waters and pristine sands, making it a perfect spot for a quiet escape. If you could have a secret beach all to yourself for a day, what would you do? Leave your dream beach day plans in the comments. 5. Giant's Causeway Beach, Northern Ireland. Next, we visit the legendary Giant's Causeway in Northern Ireland, famous for its unique landscape of approximately 40,000 interlocking basalt columns. These natural formations, created by an ancient volcanic eruption, are steeped in a local myth. Legend has it that the columns are the remains of a causeway built by the Irish giant Finn McCool to cross the sea to Scotland. The beach's dramatic scenery and fascinating geology make it a must-see destination. Walking along these hexagonal stones feels like stepping into another world. Do you think Giant's Causeway looks like a natural wonder or something crafted by giants? Share your thoughts. 6. Reynisfjara Beach, Iceland. Reynisfjara Beach in Iceland is known for its black sand and striking basalt columns. This beach offers an eerie and dramatic landscape that is unlike any other. The black sand, formed from volcanic activity, contrasts sharply with the towering columns and the powerful Atlantic waves crashing against them. The beach is also home to the Reynisfjara sea stacks, which legend says are trolls turned to stone. This unique location is a favorite for photographers and nature enthusiasts alike, offering stunning views and a sense of mystery. Black sand beaches are rare and beautiful. Have you visited one before? Tell us about your experience in the comments. 7. Papakolea Beach, Hawaii, USA. Papakolea Beach, also known as Green Sand Beach, is located on the Big Island of Hawaii. This beach is one of only 4 green sand beaches in the world, making it exceptionally rare. The green color comes from olivine crystals, which are found in the surrounding volcanic rock. Over time, these crystals erode and mix with the sand, creating the unique green hue. Reaching Papakolea Beach requires a challenging hike, but the reward is a breathtaking view of a truly unique beach. What's the most challenging hike you've ever done? Was it worth it for the view? Share your stories. 8. Maho Beach, St. Martin. Maho Beach in St. Martin offers a thrilling experience for beachgoers and aviation enthusiasts alike. Located right next to Princess Juliana International Airport, the beach is famous for its low-flying aircraft. Planes pass just a few feet above the beach as they approach the runway, providing a unique and adrenaline-pumping experience. The sight and sound of these massive aircraft so close are both awe-inspiring and slightly terrifying, making it a must-visit for thrill-seekers. Would you enjoy watching planes so close, or does it sound too intense? Let us know what you think. 9. Shell Beach, Western Australia. Shell Beach in Western Australia is unique for being entirely covered in shells rather than sand. The beach stretches for 70 kilometers and is covered with billions of tiny white shells from the fragments cockle species. These shells have accumulated over thousands of years, creating a dazzling white shoreline. The water here is hypersaline, which allows visitors to float effortlessly, similar to the Dead Sea. The beach's surreal appearance and tranquil waters make it a peaceful and unusual destination. Have you ever seen a beach made entirely of shells? What would it feel like to walk on? Share your thoughts. 10. Jokulsarlon Glacier Lagoon Beach, Iceland. Our final stop is Jokulsarlon Glacier Lagoon Beach, also known as Diamond Beach, in Iceland. This beach is famous for the large chunks of ice that wash up on its black sand shore. The icebergs, broken off from the nearby glacier, are polished by the waves and sparkle like diamonds in the sunlight. The contrast between the white and blue ice and the dark sand creates a breathtaking and otherworldly scene. It's a perfect spot for photographers and nature lovers looking for a unique landscape. Would you brave the cold to see the stunning icebergs of Diamond Beach? Share your adventurous spirit in the comments. Thanks for watching. Which of these unique beaches would you like to visit? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Wonderscape for more incredible travel content. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.